Today I found an amazing product, and it is very easy to design on Etsy. It's getting a lot of sales, and at the same time, it has low competition. If you look at the product from the very first glance, you'll feel like it's super simple to create. But stay with me until the end, because I'm going to suggest other ideas beyond this product, and they will be very profitable ideas. Now, if we look slightly at the top, we can see that this product is currently in 20 carts, which means it is selling well right now. And the seller priced this product at $2.80. Yes, just $2.80. It's basically teaching kids colors in a smart and easy way. Now, if we scroll down a little more, we'll notice that this product is digital, and that's exactly what we care about. And if we go to the reviews section, we'll see that it has 289 5-star reviews, which is honestly impressive for a product this simple and this easy to create. When we take a closer look at the product images, we'll notice that it only consists of 2 pages. Just 2 pages. The first page contains crayon shapes, and each crayon has a different color. For example, you'll see one in red, one in orange, one in green, and one in yellow. These are the basic colors a child needs to learn at an early age. The second page contains the same colors, but here the seller added the name of each color written on the crayons. This way, the child doesn't just learn the color visually, but also learns the name of the color as well. What the child does is cut out the shapes from the second page, the ones that have the color names, and then match them to the crayons on the first page. Watch this video so you can better understand exactly what I mean. And as I told you, it's only 2 pages. I hope the idea is clear now. But before we jump into the design phase, I really want you to listen to this carefully. Regarding my bundle that consists of 80 books, there is a brand new update that I created today for this collection. As you already know, this bundle includes 80 books that you can edit with precision, merge together, and customize. And we've already explained this before using Canva. You're not just getting PDF files here, you're also getting Canva links. These books are perfect for Amazon KDP. Each one of the 80 books contains 30 carefully designed pages created with more than 7 years of experience in this field. We start with teaching kids the alphabet, then move to words, and after that to different types of practice and activity books. And you also know that this year, math books are trending like crazy. I didn't forget that at all. I created more than 5 math books for different age groups and different types of exercises. Honestly, if you focus only on the math books, you'll find that their value alone is much higher than the price of the entire bundle. But I reduced the price for a limited time, just for you. All types of exercises and activity books are included in this bundle. For example, the Find the Differences book includes 30 pages. And I'm sure that if you asked a designer to create 30 pages like this, it would cost you around $250. I want you to go to the website that I'll leave in the pinned comment and see for yourself the number of pages and books you'll get. And there are also some books you won't find on Amazon or Etsy at all. They come purely from my own ideas and designs. I'm confident that if you focus on them, you'll stand out, and your store will offer books that other stores simply don't have. And we didn't forget adults either. This bundle is not just for kids. There are adult coloring books and more. Now, about the big update I mentioned earlier. Last month, as you know, we added 5 new products that only buyers of this bundle could access to give them extra value, and these were specifically for Etsy. Today, I added 5 more new products to the bundle. That means we now have 10 new products plus the original 80 books the bundle is named after. That's 90 products total. Imagine having 90 products that you can merge and turn into hundreds of listings. The first product from these 10 is completely free for everyone. Once you click on it, it opens instantly, and you'll be able to see the creativity behind it. It's 100% my own design. I'm very confident this product will generate a lot of sales because it focuses on numbers. And as we analyzed earlier at the beginning of the video, numbers from 1 to 10 are already proven winners. On the last page of this product, I included ideas to help you design it easily. And if we go back to the bundle again, you'll see that the original price is $110. But with a huge discount, the bundle is available today for just $29. That's a fraction of its real value, especially since I update this bundle and add new books every month. And if you purchased the bundle in the past, don't worry. You'll find the 5 new books already added to your account. Go now to the pinned comment and grab this bundle. I'm absolutely sure you'll make multiple times the money you paid for it. It's a very small investment. Thank you for staying with me, and now let's move directly into designing the product we saw at the beginning of the video. And now let's move directly into Canva so we can design this product very easily. And make sure you watch until the end of the video, because I'm going to teach you how to design a similar product, but with an even better idea at the end. First, I'll create a new design with dimensions 8.5 by 11 inches. After that, I'll go straight to the Elements section and I'll search for crayon. You'll find many different shapes there. Just choose the one you like. For me, I'm going to choose this one. And you'll also notice that Canva suggests even more shapes in different colors, which makes the process super easy. All I'm going to do now is rotate the crayon so it becomes horizontal, then I'll resize it and place it in the top left corner of the page. After that, I'll duplicate it several times and start arranging them neatly across the page like this. Now the page contains around 10 crayons. And then, very simply, I'll change the colors of these crayons. Make sure you choose colors that are easy for children to learn. Do not start with difficult or complicated colors at the beginning. And just like that, in a matter of seconds, we've finished the first page. Now focus with me carefully. I'm going to duplicate this first page so we can design the second page. All I need to do is rearrange the crayons on the second page so they're not in the exact same order. We want to add a little challenge for the child when matching and connecting the colors together. After rearranging them on the page, all I have to do is press the letter T on the keyboard to add text. You can change the font style to any font you like, and then simply write the name of the color inside each crayon. The first crayon is red, so I'll write red, and I'll continue like this until I place the color names inside all the crayons. After that, the child will go to the second page and cut out, for example, the red color, the crayon that has red written on it. Then go to the first page and search for the crayon that is colored red and connect them together. I hope the idea is clear. And another idea came to my mind for a very similar exercise, but I think it's even better, and it's a new concept. For example, this time I'll choose a different crayon than the first one because the colors are more vibrant and I like it more. And in the same way, you'll change the colors however you like and fill the first page with these crayons using the exact same method as the first exercise we just finished. Now here's the new idea on the second page. Instead of adding crayons again, we're going to add books. So I'll go to the Elements section, and this time I'll search for book. You'll find many different book graphics. All you have to do is choose any book you like, duplicate it several times depending on the number of crayons you have on the first page, and then change the colors of the books. Now the child will simply go to the first page, cut out, let's say, the yellow crayon, then go to the second page and connect it to the yellow colored book. And honestly, I see this exercise as better than the first one because it adds a little more challenge for the child, and at the same time, it's a fresh and creative idea. So design it today. And don't forget, my special bundle of 80 books is available in the pinned comment. Go now and get it. You'll find similar ideas and even better ones. I'm absolutely sure you can generate a lot of sales from them. There's also a big discount available right now, so make sure you grab it before the discount ends. I'll see you in a new video. I hope you benefited from this short video. Goodbye!